Hey guys, my name is Confident. Welcome to the 24-minute lesson excerpt where I will be sharing with you some ideas, some methods, some strategies or concepts that you can incorporate as you prepare for your final exams, be it you're studying for your mathematics N1, your N2 or your N3. Now, if these videos are handy and you are benefiting from them, you can actually press the like button, or if you've got some ideas, you can leave some comments below. If you also like to be notified of extra videos every time we post them, you can subscribe to our channel and then you'll get some notification every time there are new videos. And also, if you are interested in some of our resources, be it textbooks and some videos, you can check this at the end of this video. We will send you some information. Now let's check this concept out. Simplification of logarithms is one area which examiners like to bring in your final exam as you prepare for your mathematics N1. I will encourage you to go through the logs and how you can simplify logarithms. And in this particular short lesson, I'm showing you how you could have approached the simplification of a problem like this, which I took from a previous paper. Let us look at this example. It says simplify each of the following logarithms without a calculator. So I'm simplifying. I've got two separate logs, but it's one thing in a way. I'm simplifying log 3 81 minus log 3 of 3. It says without a calculator. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually use your calculator in a clever way, that is to say, but without the examiner detecting that you used a calculator, because sometimes you might discover that you forgot some of these laws, and you can actually try to calculate your way into the answer without the examiner detecting that you actually used a calculator. So for example, let me see if I can do this side. What you can do, you can say, okay, I'm given log 3 81 minus log 3 of 3. The first thing is find the final answer with the calculator directly. So what you're doing is you need to punch the log with the base. So there is the log. You see, you put the 3 there. You have got 81, and then minus log the base. There is 3, and the number there is 3. The answer, first part, is you are getting a 3. Okay, so far so good. I must get my answer as 3. That is 1. Remember, I'm trying to use the calculator in this case, so that when I work on my original one, I'm going to try to work towards what the calculator was giving me. Now number 2, I'm going to look at each part of this log. I have got log base 3 of 81. What is that with the calculator? So let me do that. It is log 3 of 81. You can see that it is a 4. So which means this is a 4. And the number 3 part, what is log 3 of 3? And then you do that and punch log 3, in this case, of 3. You can see that that is a 1. So now it makes sense now, because it is like they're saying 4 minus 1, which is a 3. So now the question is, how did the calculator get the 4 here? And how did the calculator get the 1 here? Now let us start with the first one to say, in this case, if you are given log 3 of 81, the key indicator that will always solve your problem is that particular base of 3. So you must look at, say, okay, I've got a base of 3, which is good. Now, how can I make 81 in terms of 3? Why are you doing that? Because you want to use the law which says log, you will also get this law in your exam. It says if the base is, in this case, log base, I'll use another marker, is log base of A and the number is a. So if the base and the number are repeating, what does the law say? It says that thing is equal to 1. So for example, if I've got log base of 20 and the number is 20, test with a calculator. In this case, you say log base of 20 and the number is 20. Do you see that I'm getting a 1? So this is just to test. Hence, in the second one, when it was log base of 3, it gave you a 1. So already, when you write a 1 there, you will get a mark. They won't penalize you. So you can actually move on here and say to yourself, this is equal to log base 3 of 81 minus 1. Because it's already known that log base 3 of 3 is 1. Then your aim is to deal now with this 81. So what you do, you take your calculator, because the 3 and the 81, they always give you something that is linked. So if you say 3 times 3, you say 9 times 3, you see 27, there are 3 now, times 3, you see it's 81. So which means I'm saying 3 to the power of 4, in this case 3 to the power of 4, you see that it is 81. So this is same as saying log base 3 of 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. Secondly, you're going to use, this is the first law that we used in this case. Remember, they are testing your knowledge of laws of logarithms. Now the second law that you are going to use, number 2 in this case, is the law which says if you are given log in base x of y, okay, let me not use the x and y, let me use a, log in base a of b to the exponent x. You see that? So what happens is this particular exponent, it will drop to go before the log such that it will become x log base of a of b. The key there is how the x dropped. Similarly, this particular 4 as an exponent, it is going to drop to join that part. So if it does that, okay, let me not remove it actually, this will drop there. If it does that, you're going to have equal to 4 log base 3 of 3 minus 1. And you remember now we did deal with log base 3 of 3. We said this is equal to 1. So this is same as 4 times 1 minus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So you remember that our answer was actually equal to 3. So you can see that you already know the answer. You already know what it simplifies to. So the calculator actually is the one that was helping you to get towards that answer. So the moment they say without a calculator, take the calculator, punch it, find the final answer, then work backwards so that you can be able to prove with. So at this stage you cannot actually see that I used a calculator, but it is the calculator that was giving me an idea of what I'm working towards. So with that, you will also know that in the final exam that your answer is correct. I hope that this concept was of benefit to you. Thank you. I hope the video that you just watched was of benefit to you. And as I said, if you benefited from the video, you can press the like button or you can leave us a comment below. And if you want to be notified of these videos, you can always subscribe to our channel. Now, if you want the full curriculum of this mathematics, if you're studying for mathematics N1, N2 or N3 and you want the test book as well as the videos, we have a full curriculum of the mathematics N1, N2, N3 as well as the accompanying videos. We also have videos of the previous question papers, the latest papers that were written in video form. These question papers can assist you as you prepare for your exams. We also have PDF version of the previous question papers that were written since 2014 until now. And if you want them, you can check all the information from our website, and trust me, these will become very handy to you. We sell them at a very discounted prices, and it is worth the try. Thank you.